Hi, this is Tihana from Real Estate Fortun. On this sunny day, I am enjoying my walk on one of the most beautiful beaches in Rovinj. Today, I will show you amazing apartment located only 3-minute walk from here. Set in a quiet neighborhood, just a few minutes of a pleasant walk through a pine forest from the landscaped Valsavi beach, this bright and airy one-bedroom apartment boasts a large terrace, its own parking space and a storage room in the basement. The flat measures 46.40 square meters. The flat is not inhabited and can be taken into possession immediately. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.